Think of your income as a table. If there's only one leg to support the table, if that one leg breaks, the table will collapse. However, if there are multiple legs to support the table, and if one leg breaks, the table will certainly wobble but remain standing. Think of the table as your life and the legs as your income streams. When one stream is negatively affected, for whatever reason, the other streams can help you keep going without significantly lowering your standard of living. Tom Corley surveyed 233 wealthy individuals on their daily habits and compared the results with 128 lower-earning individuals and learned that most self-made millionaires generated their income from multiple sources. 65% had 3 streams of income, 45% had 4 streams of income, 29% had 5 or more streams of income. Each additional stream they added gave them wealth that they could then leverage and invest into another. Most people have one stream of income, and that is their job. If you do not save and invest your savings in assets that generate additional streams of income and you lose your job, you could find yourself losing everything. Putting all of your eggs in one basket by being dependent on one stream of income is risky. If that basket breaks, what do? This is why having multiple income streams is a powerful wealth-building tool, because the right streams can increase your wealth passively. If you're looking to grow your wealth like the well-off do, you need to have multiple streams of income that will boost your bottom line. Earned income is your primary income stream through a job. The majority of us start here, and many go no further. For most, earned income is very limiting and has attracted the acronym just over broke. Because a salary is a fixed amount of money that you can earn as an employee. You earn just enough to survive. Of course, some jobs pay exceptionally well, but these are exceptions, not the norm. Now, this is where your quality of life will suffer the most because you will be trading your time for money. However, maximizing the potential of earned income is perhaps the most important aspect of generating wealth that is often ignored by a large number of people. This is where other sources of income, or passive income, as they're popularly known, come into the picture. There are many wealthy individuals who work post-retirement, like Warren Buffett. However, to go beyond a job and start your own business requires taking risks and moving into profit income. Money that you earn by selling a product or service for more than it costs you to make. You use the basis of profit income. You could open a retail store and sell products, offer professional services, and charge for your time, or combine the two. It is one of the hardest steps to move from earned income to profit income, but it is the dream of many employees. Becoming self-employed or an entrepreneur can be a difficult road, and there are risks. However, starting a business requires huge investments and sourcing goods and ancillary services. Most people believe that earned income and profit income are the only feasible ways to make significant amounts of money, but they frequently overlook the existence of 5 more, equally viable and significant sources of wealth creation. Unless you have contractual obligations with your primary job not to start a side hustle, many millionaires have grown their wealth through side gigs. Suppose you're a developer and create a game during your off hours. That game might develop a following and passively earn you an extra $100 per day. Just like that, your side gig is making you an additional $3,000 a month. If you have spare cash sitting in the bank account, it is losing money. When you lend money to any entity, you earn interest, which is a small amount of money paid in return for the principal amount. This is interest income in a nutshell. There are many ways you can put your money to work and earn a passive income stream. Once the investment is made, you won't need to be actively involved, making this a great passive income source. Many people have doubts about the seriousness of the wealth that interest income may provide, but when the power of compounding is combined with the fact that this is a real passive income with little risk, it can easily beat any of the first 2 streams of income generation. When you buy shares in a company, you become part owner of that company and entitled to dividend payments. A dividend is a part of the profits that a company may distribute to its shareholders. It is the company's way of showing gratitude to its investors and is usually paid on a per-share basis. Stocks are the most popular dividend income-generating option available to retail investors. However, there are certain mutual funds that generate dividends as well. Dividends are a classic example of passive income, and anybody who has invested in stocks or knows somebody who does has heard about its benefits often. But the secret lies in selecting the right companies with a strong business model and balance sheet. Money that you get as a result of increase in value of an asset that you own, buying and selling assets, can provide you with an income known as capital gains. For example, if you buy stocks and shares worth $100 and then sell them on for $120, the capital gain is $20. Or if you buy your house for $200,000 and sell it for $220,000, the $20,000 is your capital gain. Warren Buffett has made most of his money by using this income stream and dividend income. But he didn't get into capital gains on everything, but specialized on a very small thing, capital gains of companies in the stock market. Then by constantly honing his skills in valuing companies and investing in them. Rental income can be generated in the form of rent or lease by a property that you own. Property investment is an excellent way of protecting your money and generating an income from rent. There are two downsides to this income stream. First, it requires a substantial investment initially. Second, releasing the cash can be time-consuming and costly. Moreover, the quality of your investment depends on the desirability of the property in terms of location. It may not be an income-generating option for everyone, but may still be desirable due to a combination of social factors like status and economic factors like capital appreciation. Arnold gets most of his current income from real estate investments he made prior to becoming a movie star, according to Tools of Titans. This is a passive income stream generated by designing, building, or making something unique and charging people and businesses to use it. This is similar to rental income, but instead of renting out a house, you rent out a product or service that you built and get a royalty paid in return. An inventor or original owner may choose to sell their product to a third party in exchange for royalties from the future revenues the product may generate. For example, computer manufacturers pay Microsoft Corporation royalties for the right to use its Windows operating system in the computers they manufacture. In Old English's saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." It simply means don't depend on one thing and applies particularly well to the multiple income streams. Being totally reliant on one source of income in which you actively engaged poses the greatest risk to your financial stability. These streams are all one level above one another. You simply need to delve deeper and understand them further.